You know, we aren't just Googling Hotel Paris anymore, are we? We're having these full-blown conversations with our computers to plan our lives.
We really are.
And if you're in the travel industry, maybe you run a tour company or an agency, that shift from a simple search to a prompt is, well, it's frankly terrifying if you're not ready for it.
It changes the whole game.
Yeah.
And today we're digging into a guide from Samyak Online that's specifically about this. It covers what they call AI SEO, LLM SEO, and digital marketing for travel operators.
And the mission here feels pretty urgent. The source makes it really clear the travel market is just saturated.
Oh, completely.
Travelers have 20 tabs open, or even worse, they're just asking an AI to plan a luxury trip to Europe. So how does a local operator even survive against these global giants when the search bar is, kind of disappearing?
Well, it starts by realizing that keywords are dying, or at least evolving in a really big way. You mentioned asking an AI a complex question. That's the core of the new strategy. The guide breaks this down into three distinct buckets: AI SEO, LLM SEO, and then semantic SEO.
Let's separate those because they sound almost synonymous, but the guide is really specific about the differences. So AI SEO is the broader umbrella, right?
Exactly. It's about optimizing for algorithms like Bing Copilot or Google's new AI features. It's matching that conversational intent.
Got it.
But LLM SEO, that's large language model SEO, that's where it gets really interesting. This is optimizing your site not for a human to read, but for a robot to summarize.
That's like the Blinkist version of the internet?
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah.
If a user asks a bot for a travel itinerary, the bot scans thousands of pages. If your site structure is messy or your content is hard for a machine to parse,
The bot just ignores you.
it just ignores you.
Uh-huh.
You want to be the zero-click answer the agency the bot explicitly recommends in its summary.
Which I guess brings us to the third one, semantic SEO. This feels like the bridge between the other two.
It is. Semantic SEO moves away from just keywords to what they call entities. It's all about context.
So instead of just stuffing the word ecotour into a page 10 times,
Right.
you're connecting your specific package to the concept of sustainability, the specific region of, say, Kerala, and the intent of a nature lover. You're teaching the search engine what you are.
Precisely. Not just what words you use. You're building this whole web of meaning that an AI can understand. But, and the source is very firm on this, you can't just optimize for robots.
Right, because eventually a real person has to hand over a credit card.
And that's where local SEO and reputation management come in. The guide really emphasizes that even in this AI world near me, searches are still huge. If you're a local operator, you absolutely need to dominate Google Maps.
And once they find you, they have to trust you. I mean, the source highlights that trust is the currency of travel. You can have the best AI optimization in the world.
But if your reviews are trash or non-existent, the sale just dies right there.
It's a hybrid approach then. You need the tech side to get found and the human side, social proof testimonials, inspiring blogs to get booked.
Speaking of the technical side, Samyak Online isn't just theorizing here. They've been doing this for 20 years. And they include some case studies that really show the grind involved.
Yeah, the Shaminatak example from the USA stood out. The Joomla site.
It really did. It wasn't some magic button. It took them 5 months of tedious technical SEO work just to get his site speed scores into the green.
Which matters so much. AI hates slow sites, and humans hate them even more.
Totally. And then there's Becca Hansen, also from the USA. Her feedback was less technical, but just as vital. Kindly excellence in project handling. In a fast-moving digital world, delays kill momentum.
And on the maintenance side, they mentioned Sumik Sengupta in India. He pointed out how critical specialized WordPress maintenance is.
Right.
It's not flashy, but if your booking plugin breaks...
You're losing money every second.
Exactly.
So I think the takeaway for operators is that you can't just be a travel agent anymore. You have to be a tech-savvy publisher. You need site speed, mobile usability, and content that's easy for an LLM to digest.
It's a total overhaul. You have to be machine readable and human trustworthy all at the same time.
It's a heavy lift, but it's necessary.
I want to leave you with this thought. We are moving toward a world where AI assistants are the new travel agents. They answer your question directly, often without you ever visiting a website. So if your content isn't optimized for those models, do you just become invisible?
That is the question that should keep every operator up at night.
Thanks for listening to this deep dive. Go explore.